rupa pipa no ime shiying ime iet pidu kibet.
Kun kadai ba yo pang tibi te.
Ya ka tibi te laban sumar hang niru te bale haban pai isha to.
Lada ka kami ka don hang ni. Kibriw kilaban keren.
Ngam salia ya kibriyo. Mai.
Wah, balik kami. Arjun. Un laki thia un sakmen ba.
Arjun. Kun jonga.
Ula ka jab ha ya phi. Ngaru. Ngakram sok tho ba te. Kumyo ni u remote TV. Da ka chin krishan ki bahiyang bahasam. La bani le persha ya ka jimpang TV. Balingin nyoben.
On the evening of the 22nd of March 2024, around 9:30 p.m., a Maruti Suzuki Alto 800 with license plate number ML05T1313 travelling on the wrong side of the road from the Deputy Commissioner's office, Shillong, towards IGP Point, collided head-on with a Mahindra Bolero pickup with license plate number ML05AB2210 near the office of the Superintendent of Police. Eyewitnesses reported that the Alto 800, carrying 4 individuals, including an intoxicated passenger, collided with the Bolero pickup. Following the crash, the intoxicated passenger and 2 others fled the scene, leaving behind the driver, who miraculously sustained no injuries. A bottle of liquor was also found inside the Alto 800. The 2 occupants of the Mahindra Bolero pickup escaped unharmed. As of the time of this report, police are conducting an investigation into the incident.